Okay, I got the zippers back on track, but I had to do some repairing to them, so they're not necessarily good as new. Here's where it split, and I put some JB Weld on there. I got them, first of all, I got them back on the track, and then glued it up so that the zipper couldn't go down into that area again. So just know that that's like that. Also notice this one is still missing a tooth right there. So I probably should have glued it all the way up here, but it rolls over that. But one day you're probably going to come loose. I wouldn't go past that zipper, that hole, that missing tooth. I don't know why these teeth are coming off. I shortened the tent a little bit so that it wasn't so taut. And so I'm sure that's part of the problem why I lost a tooth on these zippers in the first place. Probably had the tent too tight. But it was I did the same thing on this side. The JB Weld I put in there goes clear to that was all where it split. So I glued it together and then made it so the zipper can't go down there anymore. So I'll show you how this works. That's all the way closed, and there's nothing weird going on here. I lined it back up just right, so it was a miracle I could do that, especially to both of them. It took me about 5 minutes to get this one on track, about 2 hours to get this one on track. So, let's walk out on this one. Be very gentle with these zippers. They don't like being wrestled with at all. They're too old. It's weird because this material is not rotten at all. It's just the zipper teeth want to come off of it for some reason. You yank on the zipper like I did before. So just don't do that. Always zipped up. That's my repair job, and I'm not guaranteeing this at all. I'm just saying this is what I did. So it is definitely not as good as new. It's got repair work done to it, and you can't zip it down the last couple inches because that's where the teeth fell off. Same on both sides. It's weird, it was on both ends too, and it was like both on the same end of the tent. I'm losing my light. I glued that together. Alright, so let's go outside and show you the outside. I got all the curtains down so you can. Oh, I also put a dab right here on this zipper, like I was showing you that tooth that was missing on the main zipper on the door. I put a dab there so you can't go down. Come on, focus. If you can see that, yeah, there you are. Put a dab of WD-40 on there so you can't go into that missing tooth and then jump off the rail like I did on the other one. So that's as far as you can zip it down. You can't go all the way down to the bottom. But it's almost to the bottom. There we are. all the way down to the thingy that I made there, so don't go beyond the, I don't know, you can't go beyond that now, so should be okay. Just don't be rough with these zippers. Shut the door here. This is my son. Be where the repair is at, right behind that flap in there. Can't even really see it, so. Same on the other side, which is, I don't have my son, so you won't be able to see as well on the other side. There's that little hole I talked about in the other video, so I'm gonna run out of battery power. All zipped up. That's the corner where it's got the repair work done. Can't see it from the outside. So, okay, well, at least the zippers are back on the rails, on the tracks. And they actually function, but I cannot guarantee these zippers. That's a vintage tent. I was really surprised they came off as easy as they did in my other video. Sure is a cool tent though. Tent's in really good shape except for those zippers. Zipper repairs. Okay. Okay, thanks. I'm taking it down now.